Hello everyone, this is Guru Prasan K from 3D Fully Design.
Here I would like to explore this molded jaggery in 3D. This is nothing but Acchu Bella or Acchu Vellam.
Molded jaggery or Achubella in Kannada or Achuvellam in Tamil.
Overall dimensions in mm. Bottom is a square of 58, height is 55. On the top, a four-sided tapered cut to a depth of 10, which makes an edge of 15.
Pre-visualizing the final 3D design with the real picture. First and foremost, let's draw a base sketch that is a square of sides 58 mm. I have applied the design intent, that is equal relation for the sides, so that vertical dimension is a driven dimension. Then let's extrude or protrude to a height of 55 mm to make it a full solid. Then let's create a new reference plane at a depth of 10 mm from the solid's top face.
On the top, this is a tapered cut from all four sides to a depth of 10 mm. It seems difficult to do with standard cut extrude.
So let's use some surfacing techniques to move forward. Let's delete the solid top face to convert it into a surface body. Then on the new reference plane, sketched a midpoint line of length 15 mm right at the center. Then connected the line endpoints with adjacent edge endpoints using 3D sketch lines. Then connected top edge with a 15 mm length line with 3D sketch lines as guides with a new surface. Then weaving the newly created front tapered surface. Then let's duplicate the front taper surface to back by using mirror tool. Then let's create new taper surface on the right by connecting three existing surface edges. Then, as before, duplicated the right taper surface to left with mirror tool. Now it is enclosed with 5 surface bodies. Verifying the enclosed surface bodies with a cross-section tool. Then let's combine the 5 enclosed surfaces and convert it into a solid. Verifying the final solid with a model cross-section tool. Then applied a small round of radius 0.5 mm to all edges of jaggery solid. I have renamed all the feature tree items to appropriate and descriptive names. And ultimately, let's match the actual jaggery color to 3D jaggery solid by using color picker tool. The volume calculated of the 3D jaggery solid is 0.000172 cubic meter. And finally, the 2D detailing is here with hidden lines, visible ortho views and shaded iso views drawn on a 3D fully designed template. The final 3D model download link is provided in the description. My 3D certifications. I do workshop based 3D trainings for students. Please subscribe 3D Fully Design.